Wortle! Wortle, to my side.
Yes, master?
Wortle, I thirst. Where's my hooch?
Master?
My hooch, my booze, my Blacksmith Cellars.
But master, Blacksmith Cellars isn't hooch. It's world-class wine, produced by award-winning winemaker Matt Smith.
Oh, I see how it is. Oh, look at me, I'm Wortle. I'm a wine
Connoisseur.
Oh, this is rich. I'm Wortle. I know lots of words. You disgust me.
But master, it's not like that.
I suppose you think that I don't know that Blacksmith Cellars produces a wide variety of varietals. Everything from Chenin Blanc to Late Harvest Syrah, not to mention their Alexander Valley Cab, and that you can find them online at blacksmithcellars.com.
Oh, master, I would never think that.
Well, all right then. And I knew that word too. Connoisseur.